What's happening, everybody? Kelly here, Central Florida's real estate ninja. And today I'm going to give you a little sneak peek at my city, the place that I call home. And I want to share with you why I think Clermont, Florida should be your destination. We're going to go over the 7 reasons why I think this is where you should bring your family. Or if you're not married with kids, but you're looking for that place to hang out, this is it, guys. We've got it all. It doesn't matter if you're from the north, the south, the east, or the west. Clermont is diverse and it's got something for just about everybody. So if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell because we're going on a journey. Guys, I'm going to be covering the best restaurants, the best subdivisions. We're going to talk about even why you might not want to move down here, and it probably isn't what you're thinking. We're going to cover all aspects, not only of Clermont, Florida, but Central Florida, theme parks, Orlando. Well, we're going to get into this. So stay with me on this journey, guys, as we add content. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in and talk about why I think Clermont should be your destination. So Clermont, Florida is an old town with a new look. You see, in Clermont, we've got a downtown that's being completely revitalized. It's got all of the old buildings from the 20s, 30s, and 40s. We are literally, and I don't know if you can tell, but the city is initiating a completely new brick. So all of the asphalt's coming up and they're bricking the entire downtown. There are multiple businesses, antique stores, restaurants, dance studios, nightlife, night spots. We've got several breweries, hope I said that right, that have opened up over the last couple of years in Clermont. So if you love a good beer, they probably have it here. And during holidays, specifically Christmas, this city comes alive, right? We've got entertainment throughout the month. The whole city is transformed like you've been sent to the North Pole. So it's quite an amazing location, especially if you have children or if you're retired. This is a phenomenal place. And guys, we have got through the year major sports organizations coming in for biking, and people love traveling through the city on their bikes and exploring all of the shops. Guys, we also have, in addition to the older buildings, we've got, and you're going to see it in a minute, we've got what's called the Clermont Splash Pad, which is connected to one of our parks. We've got many different parks. This one is a fan favorite. As a matter of fact, we just did my granddaughter's birthday there, and we had about 30 or 40 kids, and it was an awesome time. So let's move on. Reason number 2. We, guys, are one of the only places in Florida that you literally are going to feel like you're up north because of our hills. We literally, in different areas in Clermont and then parts of Lake County, have rolling hills. It looks like you're up in the mountains, like the beginning of the Great Smoky Mountains, going up into north of Atlanta as you're driving towards Tennessee. We've got that here, guys. And it's one of the things that makes our area, our city and our area very unique. And it's why it is the destination for people living in cities like Orlando, Winter Garden, Winter Haven, Tampa. They love it. And guys, as you can tell, we have got some amazing, breathtaking views. So if you love the hills of the north, but you want the amenities of the south, this is for you. All right, guys, we are known for what's called the Citrus Tower. And there it is, guys. This was built in the 50s. At one time, Lake County, Florida was one of the premier spots for the orange industry. Orange trees everywhere, right? We made more orange juice and had more oranges than just about anywhere in the world. And they built this Citrus Tower as an testament to that industry. When you go up to the top of that tower, it's one of the it's probably the highest point in Lake County, but you can literally see the theme parks. You can see Orlando from the bird's eye view. It's an amazing place. And at the bottom of the Citrus Tower and around the corner is an amazing barbecue restaurant, right? So when you come in here, please make sure you take the time to go to the Citrus Tower and take a look at this iconic building. All right, family-friendly neighborhoods. Clermont has grown in the last 12 to 15 years, and we have got many subdivisions, a lot of housing choices. Guys, we've got subdivisions like the Legends, if you're in the Gulf, Ardmore Reserve, Highland Ranch, Hunter's Run, and Johns Lake Landing. I've got family that have bought a home in there recently. Amazing subdivision. So no matter what type of home you're looking for, we probably have it in Clermont. And so if you're looking to relocate and you want more information on the different neighborhoods, look below the video. I'll leave my contact information. I would love to share with you what Clermont has to offer in the surrounding area with regards to shelter for your family. We can set you up to get alerts when something pops that hits your criteria. So if you're looking to make that move in the next 1 to 12 months, make sure that we connect. And by the way, I normally don't do this on these videos, but I'll say this for everybody looking to buy down here. If you work with the Real Estate Ninja, I give 25% of my buyer's agent commission for you guys to use for closing costs or point reductions. It's up to you. All right, let's continue on. Point number 3. This one is one of the things we are most known for. Clermont is part of the Clermont chain of lakes. There are several chains in Lake County, Florida. We live in a county called Lake County, but we've got all these lakes that are part of the Clermont chain and some of the most breathtaking lakes you'll find. And there is always on the weekend, thousands of families enjoying the many beaches, all of the water parks, the lakes themselves. Guys, it's amazing when you go out on a Saturday and just see all of the fun. And at the Clermont Waterfront Park, we usually have during the year multiple festivals. We've got something in March called Pig on the Pond, and over 40,000 people attend that weekend-long event. Country music, stars come in, every kind of food you could think of, literally a fair atmosphere. And it's one of the highlights of Clermont, Florida. And it's also just flat out fun. We also have, because we have the lakes and the hills, we have bike paths around all of these. And if you love biking, you're going to love Clermont, Florida. All right, let's continue. I said earlier about the Waterfront Park. This is what we rented out for my granddaughter, and they built this off of one of the lakes. Now, the city is over in this direction, literally a quarter of a mile away. So this was built for literally on the weekend for people to bring their children and absolutely enjoy this. When you drive by there on a Saturday, it's always full of children. And we were able to rent out this building and this park very inexpensively on a Saturday for a couple hours to enjoy that birthday. But guys, this is a destination station if you have young children. All right, now let's talk about why Clermont appeals to so many different categories of people. As you can tell, Clermont's right here, literally in the middle of Central Florida, and we are surrounded by lakes. And guys, Orlando's literally 20 to 25 minutes away, downtown Orlando. Right over here are all of the theme parks, 20 to 25-minute drive. You've got Walt Disney World, SeaWorld, and Universal. And let me tell you, we have in the state of Florida, if you buy a home and you're a resident, something called an annual pass at Disney. Now, tickets at Disney can be $100 to $150 per person per day. Now, you'll have to check. The prices change yearly, but for significantly less than that, you can buy an annual pass, which, depending on the pass, includes parking and discounts on food and gifts, and go to Disney pretty much anytime you want, minus the blockout dates. So my wife and I love that. We get our annual passes. We enjoy Disney. And if you want, you can also enjoy SeaWorld and Universal. And then over here, about an hour away in Tampa, is Busch Gardens, Florida. So if you love that stuff, guys, it's all here. Now, about an hour's drive, you can go to Daytona Beach, New Smyrna Beach, right? Enjoy all of these beaches, these world famous beaches. It's like an hour drive. And if you want to go towards NASA, Cocoa Beach, Melbourne, Palm Beach, Titusville, again, about an hour to hour and 10-minute drive. You can be over on those beaches, beautiful water, and NASA down there. So if you want to see any of their rockets that go up when they get scheduled, it's an hour to hour and 15-minute trip. And all of that is right there at your fingertips. And then over here towards Disney in this area is Disney's got this thing called Disney Springs. Look it up online. I'll put a link to it below. Absolutely one of the funnest places to take your family. Now, it's more like a shopping experience, but it's at a high level. But the restaurants, they've got different, like the Legoland. I mean, it is chock full of family adventure, and they have a boat ride in the Disney Lagoon. You can ride around a 15 to 35-minute boat drive. So, guys, never will you have a spot in your day or your week where you're bored. We've got it all here. All right. That's it, guys. That is the 7 reasons why I think you should make Disney World, Universal, SeaWorld, Daytona Beach, all the Atlantic beaches, the Gulf beaches, NASA, and Clermont your destination station. Again, I'll put a link below to some of these types of events. You can go and look at them yourself. And I will also leave my contact information. If you are considering that move and you just need some inside information, reach out to me. I will more than be glad to share with you my life experience. I've been in this, I'm a Florida native. I've lived in this area pretty much all my life, and I love sharing with people. And again, guys, Clermont, if you're looking to move anywhere near Orlando, or that area, you really need to check out Clermont. It is absolutely amazing. All right, I think that's it. I'm going to go ahead and stop now. I appreciate you. Make sure you hit the bell to be notified when I put these videos out. Subscribe to the channel and drop me a comment below. Tell me what you thought about the video and what you would like to see regarding Clermont, Florida and Central Florida. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next video.